play like savage. Why you got a 12-car garage and you only got 6 cars? Cocaine on the table, liquor porn, don't give a damn. Don't your girlfriend is who goofy, she just tryna get in.
'Índio come xota, índio come índio come Veldora tempest. いいだろリムルとは心の友魂の片割れ
Our guardian Lord Veldora.
Теперь со мной, теперь со мной. Теперь со мной, теперь со мной.ついに我の最終防衛ラインの出番だな。おお、魔王ルミナスよ。どうだ、今度はちゃんと覚えておったぞ、魔王ルミナスよ。こ
のクソトカゲが毎回わらわの邪魔をしよって。
It's just that you and Malim are extraordinary. Speaking of extraordinary, I hear that the storm dragon Veldora has awakened.
My. Now this is a rumor that I'd actually be interested in hearing. You were saying that my younger brother Veldora has finally awakened. I stopped sensing him about 2 years ago, so I was all but convinced that he had died.
Tell me, are you sure? There is no doubt.
Listen very carefully. Veldora is the incarnation of natural energy. A raging storm can be brought to heal temporarily, but the evil dragon has the will to circumvent all.
Centuries. Oh, the air tastes so sweet!